I'm Suzy Rhoades with Past Masters. Welcome to this week's Questions of the Week. Our topic this week is types of clients. You can expect this topic to appear on your SIE exam, Series 6, Series 7, Series 65, and Series 66. We're going to take a quiz that is found within a Past Masters Securities course. Let's get started. Which type of business is the easiest to set up? Choices include S Corporation, LLC, C Corporation, or sole proprietorship. So the test is going to expect you to know a little bit about the various different types of business organizations. It is the sole proprietorship that is the easiest type of business to set up. When you click Check Answers within our learning management system, you will see you're given a choice to show the explanation. Each question within our course has a written explanation as well as an audio explanation. Business is the easiest to set up. S Corporation. Our courses include thousands of practiced questions. There is no special paperwork to establish a sole proprietorship. The taxes are going to be paid for your sole proprietorship on your personal 1040 Schedule C. This happens sometimes on the real test where you have two very similar questions. I always kind of am grateful if that was to happen. The simplest type of business organization is, choices include a C Corp, sole proprietorship, partnership, or LLC. It is the sole proprietorship, once again, that is the simplest, easiest to set up, and the simplest type. Which type of trust can accumulate income? A little bit about trusts for the test. We have a simple trust, testamentary trust, complex trust, or living trust. Which type of trust can accumulate income? That's a complex trust. When you have a simple trust, all of the income earned each year must be distributed. A testamentary trust is a type of a trust that is set up by a person's last will and testament. A living trust is set up when a person is alive, a living or intro vivos trust. It is the complex trust that does not have to distribute all of its income. It can choose to, but it doesn't have to. It may distribute corpus, a complex trust, where a simple trust cannot distribute corpus, can only distribute, must distribute its income each year. An owner of a C corporation can lose how much? $3,000, unlimited, your cost basis plus any additional notes, or however much was paid for the shares. A C corporation is a type of a corporation that can have an unlimited number of shareholders. The shareholders are the owners of the business. So if you purchased a share of stock for $300, how much can you lose? Whatever you paid for those shares. When managing money for a foundation, which is true? Suitability obligations do not apply. Suitability obligations are higher than when dealing with the general public. Suitability obligations are more relaxed than when dealing with the general public, or no, your customer rules do not apply. So you got to pick the best answer here. The only one that makes any type of sense is that suitability obligations are more relaxed than when dealing with the general public. All are true about an individual account, except what is false. That's what we're looking for. Always reword it without the except. The client must disclose their investment objective and risk tolerance so that the investment advisor representative can formulate the client's investment policy statement. Seems true. The account holder is the only one who can place orders to buy or sell within the account. Seems true. The spouse of the account holder automatically has rights to the account. No, that's false, but let's check the last one, make sure that it's true. There can be only one beneficial owner. True. So the right answer is the false statement. It feels really awkward sometimes to pick the wrong statement as right, but that's what the question was asking you for, so be careful on the test. The test likes to trick you. I don't want you to be tricked. Which type of account can have unequal ownership? Individual account, joint tenants with right of survivorship, TOD account, or joint tenants in common. So unequal ownership, it's got to be some kind of a joint account, so we can get rid of individual account, get rid of TOD account. Joint tenants with right of survivorship must be owned equally. The only one that can have unequal ownership is called joint tenants in common. So let's say, for example, my brother and I buy a vacation home in the mountains. He owns it 60%, I own it 40%, tenants in common. When I die, my interest does not pass to my brother, it passes to my estate. The only one that has unequal ownership, tenants in common. In a joint brokerage account, who can place trades? Either party, whoever is the more conservative investor in the account. They must both agree to the trade, or whoever is listed on the account first. In a joint account, either party can place trades. Which type of business has owners that are called members? Choices include LLC, C corporation, sole proprietorship, or S corporation. It is the LLC that has members. You can have as small as a sole member LLC, or you can have a multi-member LLC. Members, LLCs. Corporations have shareholders. A sole proprietorship is owned by one individual. Which type of trading authority allows an individual who is not the owner of the account permission to place orders to buy and sell securities, but not to withdraw funds? Choices include trustee, full power of attorney, limited power of attorney, or discretionary authority. It is a power of attorney that is limited in scope because it does not allow the person to whom it's being granted the ability to withdraw funds. If you wanted someone else to have the ability to withdraw funds, you'd want to give them a full power of attorney. Granted, a full power of attorney is risky to give to anyone. That concludes our questions of the week for this week. That's types of clients. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn your notifications on. If you have any questions about this topic, just ask me in the comments below. If you would like to check out our Past Masters Securities courses or to enroll, just click on the link that is found in the description below this video. I hope to have you as a student soon. Happy studies. You got this.